If you want to access the menu buttons of the microwave, all you do is then you open the door. The menu buttons and the menus are accessible only if you open the door. You have to open the door, and you'll see most operations there. You do not need, in the written manual, you'll see in detail what all these functions are. There are various functions: reheat, and then also the soften and the proof, etc. And then, because you do not need to remember it, if you look here at the top, you will see what it means more exactly and in detail, all these things. Now let's make an example. If you want to defrost something, for example, you want to defrost fish here. Fish is inverted defrost, number 3. Then all you do is you come to the menu, open the window, go to the menu, then you get inverted defrost, and you just press there until you get 3 times, and then you press on the plus to get the weight of whatever fish you want to, and then you close the door and you enter start. If, for example, you want to soften something, in this case ice cream, soften ice cream is number 3. So you go to soften on the menu and then press soften 2, 3 ice cream. Then it shows you must plus or minus, go to the plus or minus screen. You plus 1 cup of ice cream, 2 cups or 4 cups, 3 cups, and then it directs you again to this start. There you go, you close the door. There is that signature, here is the start, and just press there, and then it goes. So go to the keep warm menu. Yeah, keep warm menu. You just press keep warm. Okay, then directs you close the door and go then to the start button. You close the door and it's directed. You go to the start button and then it will keep warm whatever you want, maybe at that specific temperature for 1.5 hours. If you want to use a popular menu to make food, for example, let us take the chicken clear soup for 1. And if you have chicken clear soup for 1, you then go here to the popular menu, and then when you select popular menu, it's for 1, we said, press it 4 times. Then you will see here the plus minus shows you where you must press next. Then you go down, you must press next the 4-1. Then you press it down there. 4-1 is the chicken clear soup. And then the chicken curry is for 2. Then you shows you there what you must press. That's nearly like a stop sign. You close then, it means you must close it. And here is the same signature and sign. Then you press there, then you will see it immediately just goes on to the time. Let us clear this, not stop it, but cancel and clear it. And use another example. For example, you want to make this 3 because I want to use another example because in this example there's other operations involved. And 3.2 popular menu. 3.2 is fufu. Then you come here and press popular menu. 3 and plus minus it says. So then you go down and press the plus till you get the 2, and it directs you then go to the close window and go to the sort of nearly like a stop sign. Close it. If you close it and then you press here, if you press, you will see there it waits for the weight that you must input. Then you input the weight with increments. When you finish and satisfied, or minus it, or slide with the flat of your finger, then you just start it. Because you can see there, it makes you again with that signature where you must go to, and just press start, and there the process starts. If you want to read something, for example, there are various things you can read. Let's take, for example, a muffin. It's number 4. You go then to your read function. Read 4. And then you have 4. After the read, then you, if you can see here, there's a plus minus of that flickering, meaning you must go to the plus minus. If you then press on the plus minus, you will see it gives you 1 muffin, 2 muffin, 3 muffins, or whatever the case it is. The units of whatever you must read. Let's clear it, just to show you how it works with the units. Beverage, let's take read a beverage. You want to read a beverage here, number 1. Then you go here to the menu, go and read a beverage. Beverage number 1. It shows you can plus minus, press plus minus, then it says you 1 cup, 2 cups, or 3 cups. Let us clear it. And then, for example, go to pizza. Pizza is number 6, read. Then you press it 6 times. You are going to read a pizza. It plus minus, it says you what you must press here. Then you press, it shows you the weight of the pizzas you must. And when you finish, you just close it, and there you go. You will see that the lock comes on. To unlock it, you then just simply do the same in reverse. Press there on the start for a few seconds, and then you will see after a time it resets. If for some reason you want to reduce the power output of the microwave, because maybe you want to just take the chill out of some fruit, and then remember the default output of the microwave is 1200 watt, and then all you do is you go to the power button on the menu. Open the door, of course. The assumption is that the door is open, and then you just press with the flat of your finger on the power. There you will see the default. If you press again, you can bring it down. In fact, you can bring it down to 200 watt very slowly. Can you see there? And then if you are finished, you will see you must the plus minus sign, and after that you can then just use a plus minus button to put the sign there, the time there. You can close it to use a slider to increase the time or to decrease the time. And then it shows you must press the enter button, and then you, in fact, as this, if you want to start, just push the enter button, and there you go. The only negative thing is that there is no indication on what power level you continue. For example, it's not a 200 or 400 or whatever. It is just sort of, you do not get a visual on the reduced and the new power output of the microwave, but that is a temporary thing. And then when you start again, the default power output of the microwave is 1200 watt, and unless you reset it. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.